Well, clearance is 7'2". I don't know if I could fit. Let's take a peek. The old before. Somebody coming, I'm in the way. That dude's like, woohoo! Getting in front of this idiot. I'm the idiot. I honestly don't know. That's, oh, that's so cool, dude. That's right there. Come on. You think we're good? Nice. Nice. Oh, they were nice. All right, well, my truck is like 7 feet tall, not 7'2", so that's good. A $20 car wash, so. Tax deduction. All right, let's see here. I hope my tires fit in this thing. Sick. Nice. Killer. I'll roll up my window now. Oh no. The window's not rolling up. There it is. That would have been really, really embarrassing. Alright. Alright, please neutral, feet off paddles, hands off the wheel. Alright, dude, nice. And an actual person. That's pretty sick. Nice, dude. They gonna wash in my truck for me. I feel like a genuine, like, totally, like, purebred white person right now. Like, people are working for me, for my vehicle right now. I don't have this. I normally work on my own stuff. How exciting. Okay. Yeah, baby. Premium. I did please all of the things. Wonder if that Trump sticker on the back window is going to make any of them mad. Maybe. It's hard to say. Girls with short hair, they're always so on the fence sometimes. And dudes with nose rings, you never know. I know I've known a lot of cool dudes with nose rings. Also not. Known some pretty cool dudes with nose rings. Nice. Actual contact. My truck is gonna look so nice. That's sick. Beating the heck out of that window. Dirty lights. Dude, party mode. Check it out, little squirter doodles. More washing should have been done. That was $20. What are you spraying on me now? Warm water? Well, we'll see. let's park. Oh man, it's so busy everywhere. Those vacuum, or that one, okay, it's just one vacuum. That's why the motor was so big. I was like, that motor is huge. All right, there's like no room around here. Okay. Do porkage garage, you know?